In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create buy links in Ecwid. If you're running an online store and you want to simplify the purchasing process for your customers, learning how to create buy links in Ecwid is a great skill to have. It allows you to generate direct links to products, making it super easy for your customers to add items to their carts in just a click. Let's dive right into the process. To start, head to your Ecwid dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the navigation panel on your left. You'll see a list of options, and among them, find and click on Apps. This section is essentially your toolbox, where all sorts of helpful applications are available for installation and use. Next, within the app market, locate the option labeled Buyable Links. This is the feature we'll be focusing on today. Click on that to proceed. Now, once you're on the Buyable Links page, you will see a button saying Install. Click this to begin the installation process. This action will allow you to start generating buy links for your products. Don't worry, the installation process is pretty straightforward and usually happens in seconds. With the Buyable Links app now installed, you'll want to locate the product for which you want to generate a link. For this example, we'll be working with a product called Sample Pink Hoodie Plus Short Set. Click on this product to bring up the options related to it. Now that you're in the product settings, find the options menu. Clicking on this will reveal different variations or choices that your product might have, such as size or color. For our demonstration, we'll proceed by selecting one of these choices. Say you want the product size to be small, simply click on S to make the selection. Once that's set, the next step is critical. You'll see an Add to Cart button. Click on this as it prepares the item to be linked for purchase. This step ensures the product, along with the selected options, is ready to be shared with potential buyers. Now comes the moment of generating a link. You'll spot a button labeled Generate Link. Click on it to create a bespoke link for the product in question. This link is what you'll share with shoppers, enabling them to add the specific item directly to their carts with all those predetermined options already applied. And there you have it, your ready link. This direct link is now all set to be used on social media posts, emails, or anywhere you wish to promote your product. It's an incredibly efficient way to ensure your customers have a smooth and quick purchasing process. Thank you for following along, and happy